how to make a plant cell cake. So the plant cell cake is the top one. This is what we're gonna make. And to start off, you already washed your hands, so that's step one. And then we get the materials set up, and then so the first one is the cake batter. Looks like I got chocolate, and then Storm, my brother assistant, will pour it into the glass bowl.
Should bring a scissors next time. All of it?
Yeah. And then we already have our cake powder here, and then we're gonna need 1 1/4 of a cup of water. And then 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. And then you're gonna need 3 eggs. Make sure your shells don't get.
How many?
We're waiting for the cake in the oven. You have to wait 30 to 35 minutes. So while we're waiting, we're gonna make the colorful frosting separately. Okay. So this is going to be our cell. So that's.
Now I'm done mixing it.
Looks like this to make the frost.
Go.
So we're gonna get the blue one. So this is the cell wall. So the cell wall is like made up of cellulas, are only found around the plant cell, and a few other organisms. So I'm just gonna. This is gonna be the cell wall. So it's basically the whole cake. Fine, almost done. So we're going to use a green frosting, and it's going to be the chloroplasts. The chloroplasts are the food producers of the cell. The organelles are the only found in the plant cell, and some of the protists such as algae. And then Storm will put the chloroplast. So let's take this one too. And I'm gonna also use, while he's putting the green, making the chloroplast, we're going to use the green M&Ms. So now we're gonna get the blue M&Ms to make the mitochondrion. It's known as the powerhouse of the cell. Their organelles act like digestive systems, which takes in nutrients and breaks them down. Now we're going to still use the same blue one to make the vacuole. So a vacuole are the storage bubbles found in cells. They might store food or any variety of nutrients and cell might need to survive. They even store waste products.
You don't need to fill it in.
No, you don't need to fill it in. Now we're gonna get the yellow frosting, which is the rough the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So they're also mentioned in the section on the ribosomes and is very important in the synthesis. And so we're gonna get the blue M&Ms to make the nucleus inside the rough endoplasmic reticulum. So the nucleus, it helps control eating, movement, and reproduction. The cell nucleus acts like the brain of the cell. So we're going to use the blue frosting, which is going to be the nuclear envelope. It's going to be around the nucleus. So it's the nuclear envelope, it separates the DNA of the cell from the cytosol. So we're going to use the pinkish reddish to make the nucleolus. It makes ribosomal subunits from the proteins and ribosomal RNA, also known as rRNA. It then sends the subunits out to the rest of the cell where they combine all complete ribosomes. So we're going to use the brownish one to make the ribosome. So the ribosomes, they are the protein builders or the protein synthesizers of the cell. So we're going to get the ribosome free in the outside. So we're going to use the white frosting to make the outside, to make the cell membranes. So according to the Cell Authority, cells are the main unit of the organization in biology. Whether you are a single cell or a blue whale with the trillions of cells, you are still made of cells. All cells are contained by a cell membrane that
Golgi apparatus is responsible for taking the proteins which were created by the ribosomes, making them bigger and better.
So we're gonna use that one for as a sprinkle. So that was our video, how to make a plant cell with cake. I'm Sky Victor again, and this is my brother Storm Gennaro. Thanks for watching.